Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the combined weak US dollar along with the Fed rate hike fueled the rally overnight for the Australian dollar. Then the move took it now to the target of 76.5070, which is where I believe the bears will be harboring. Until we break this level, then overall I am bearish and I feel the market has slightly overshot itself above the 76 handle, so I am a seller and expect to see a pullback to 75.80 with a move down to 75.2025. Until we get a break above that 76.5070 level, then I'm bearish. Well, the market waited for the Fed's decision with anticipation, and as widely expected, the Fed did move rates 25 basis points for the third time this year, and also predicted 3 more for 2018 and 2 more in 2019, which brings us a total of 275%. However, there was two policymakers, Fred Charles Evans and also the Fed Neil Kashkari, voted against the decision, but it still went ahead. With the dollar index plummeting, now looks towards the support at 93.1015. In terms is at 1860 in the euro. Any rally up towards this 118.60 level, I do expect to see fail and look back towards 117.60. But if the dollar index breaks beneath 93.1015, then that would open back towards 92.55, and in terms see the euro rally back towards the 119 region. So do keep a close watch if you're trading from the short side. Well, dollar yen with two dojis in play, one slightly long-legged, is that it plummeted back towards the support, now holds at 112.25. Overall, I do expect to see demand either from that level or look towards the region of 111.5060. In the broader scheme of things, I do expect to see this sell-off as being a one-off, purely for the fact is the market has just reacted to the statement from Janet Yellen given this morning, and also the fact it was a slightly on the dovish side. Nevertheless, the dollar should recover, and I so do expect dollar yen to. So a rise back up towards 113.05 and look towards 113.60 as a short-term target. Now the pound did rally in front of that level 132.60 overnight, but not technically supporting it though. I do expect to see the gains being returned and look back towards the downside at 133.5560. Do not forget that the fact is the Brexit talks are still continuing and at this stage are not positive. So this should bear a bit of a cloud over the sterling and see a pullback to this level eventually at 132.60 with a cap seen at 134.5. Well, not to my surprise, is that the fact that the 1236 level in gold was clearly rejected, and from the strong rally overnight, it was strong, is that we are looking up towards 58 to 62 as a potential target with scope to 68 to 76. In terms of any weakness, I expect to see support from 1249. Well, those trading silver would actually feel much more relieved. Is the fact that we got a very strong rebound off $15.60 and takes out the $15.90 and now looks towards a target of $16.20. Overall, I am bullish silver and still expect to see further highs around $16.60 in a broader scheme of things. And to wrap up with oil, well, the rejection clearly came through, and from the rejection of the 58 region, looking down towards immediate target of 56.20 and lower to 54.70. So that wraps up for today. Thank you for joining me for this morning's webinar, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.